Let's start with our star, and we find the last 24 hours was mostly quiet on the Sun. There are several active regions and plasma filaments. Some appear ready to destabilize, but in terms of flaring and CMEs, it was a relatively quiet day with one minor M-class event. The solar wind at Earth was another story. Increasing plasma speed accompanied by a density rise and short-lived phi angle flip triggered a low-level geomagnetic storm overnight, which is already waning back this morning. KP peaking at 5. In 304 angstroms, you can see the southern filament release. That is what we'll be watching for with the other plasma ropes in more Earth-facing positions today. Let's go to a paper about the January 2021 Geomagnetic Storm. The entire study is an exploration of the curiosity and how such a small space weather event managed to cause such significant geomagnetic impacts and impacts to the ionosphere. As with all the other let's explain this away moves of late, the best answer is absent from the analysis, that the weaker magnetic field is allowing greater disruption from space weather compared to the past. The ongoing magnetic pole shift is weakening the field as the dipole structure degrades, and that's the situation described in this one, where such an event was modeled in high detail. All across the globe, there's an energetic particle precipitation, including the collapse of the Van Allen belts. It's a key indicator of what we've said many times. One of the greatest risks in a pole shift is the space radiation impact everywhere around the world. It's exactly what we've got coming.